Hi guys, a very warm welcome to the class guys, very warm welcome to the class of SGMA gift classes guys. Shri Gosalites Medical Academy gift classes is here for you all. Welcome everyone, welcome. Hi guys on the Zoom class or on the YouTube side guys to all. Basically, if you see my face going a little bit here or here, understand that I am watching the chats. Okay? So here one TV present, here one TV present to see your chats. What are you guys writing or are you smiling? Hi guys, hi everyone. So I can see here Afia there saying hi, or her mother is saying hi, I guess. Netra is also sitting. Maidar is there with his camera. Vivek is there with one emoji. I can see that. Wonderful. Hello everyone. Hi. Yes. Hi, good evening, beta. Good evening. Hello, sir. On the YouTube side, we have so many people right now live with us. Yes. So wonderful to see everyone. First of all, guys, a very warm welcome to Shri Gosalites. Take care. You are here. We are going to conduct gift classes. But I hope yesterday you had a session with our chairman, sir, the visionary Narendra Babu, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, beta. Just tell me quickly on the chats. Okay. Hi, Harshini. Hello, beta. Hansini. Okay. Shri Hansini. Okay. Yes, wonderful. So I guess you must have met with Pansar also, right? He must have explained you what are the gift classes, what are you going to study, little bit, right, guys? And he must have given you super energy, right, bacha? Wonderful. I'm with saying yes, sir. Yes, sir. So many thumbs up are coming to me. Wonderful. I like chats. I like emojis also a lot. A nice smiley, sad face, smiley hearts, everything. Oh yeah, wow. So how was your board exam, guys? Awesome. Board exam went fine, guys. So here we have Saiti saying yes, sir. Went fine. Wonderful. Awesome, guys. So now it's a very big day for you all that you are going to now step into your class 11th, guys, right? You're now going to step in class 11th, or as you say here in Telugu states, junior college, right, bache? Wonderful, wonderful. So, bache, let me introduce you to myself. So, my name is Bacha Party Mohit Mittal. Okay? So, my name to you, so as you all say in Telugu, Peru. Ana? Peru Mohit Mittal, guys. Okay? So, I have done my BTech MTech, guys. I am from IIT BHU. So, I have done my studies, higher state, ana? Higher studies MTech from IIT BHU. My all India rank in triple E cadre was your 529, and I've been teaching guys from last 10 plus years, guys. Okay, and I'm here in Gosalites from last 4 years. So it is little bit about me that I wanted to tell you about myself over here, guys. If you have any doubt, you just type on the message. I will let you know about me also over here, and then we will start the basic general baate, and then we'll start about the subject, what we are going to do. Okay. Okay. So people are writing Mohit. So beta, it's Mohit, MOHIT, not Mohit. Okay. It's not Mohit. It's Mohit. Or some people may say my name as MITTAL or Metal. So I am not a metal, guys. But yes, people say I am gold. But I assume myself like diamond, beta, bright shining diamond. And to my students, I say diamond is diamantic material, which you will understand in class 12th when chapter will come. So many a time I will be talking in physics terms only, beta. Okay? The reason is physics is my religion, beta. Okay? Physics is my religion, and I'm going to teach you physics, guys. Okay? I'm going to teach you physics. So, bache, physics is my religion, and I am a very religious person. Chalo, wonderful to see you all, guys. So let me introduce you to some little bit about the physics. Anna, shall we start, guys? What do you say? If you say we should start about what we are going to study about over here in this physics lecture, give me a quick thumbs ups, guys. Quick thumbs ups. Okay, so here we have Venugopal. Oh, thank you, BT Sandgill. He's saying, yes, sir, you are diamond. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love. Chalo. Sir, do you know Telugu? Me kuncham kuncham Telugu ardhamainda. Okay. ठीक है बच्चे? I can the little I can speak, but I mostly understand. ठीक है तेलुगु. चलो. Wonderful guys, wonderful. Welcome everyone, welcome guys, welcome. So over here, let me tell you guys, what is the gift class? The gift class is over here for physics. So we have your gift class for physics over here. But in physics, did you guys saw a planner in the end of the yesterday session, guys? In that plan, you must have seen some teachers were there. Just before that, there was one section of biology, one section of physics, one section of chemistry. Over there, some data must be written. Have you seen that or not, guys? Tell me quickly. Anna? So in that, have you wondered कि in the physics column, maths part was there? Did you saw that? कि straight line is written, differentiation is written, or trigonometry must be written. And many of you must be guessing कि sir, we are opting for biology. The reason is we hate maths. Is it so? Tell me honestly, guys. You have to tell me honestly, putting your hands on your heart. ठीक है ना? Yes. Hi, Eith. Okay. तो बच्चे basically just लबी few minutes back what I told you कि physics is my religion, है ना? Physics is my religion, but maths is my language. Maths is my language, guys. So basically, we have to study physics. But to understand physics, what is the most important thing to understand? It's bache maths. So basically, first of all, basic mathematics is required to understand the basic of physics. Because when we are going to start studying about physics, many times, many tools will come, many points will come where maths will be dealt with. So to deal with the maths, what we have to do? We have to learn it. Many of you must be very much capable in maths. Many of you may not be. But to become awesome in physics, to score the most 180 out of 180, the wonderful marks, full marks in physics, if you want to achieve, guys, there is only one thing which is required. That is, guys, mathematics, that too basics, that too basic maths. Not very high level maths. We have to just do simple maths which will help us to clear our physics, which will make us understand all the derivations, which will help us to solve all the questions, which will finally result into 180 out of 180 in physics also. And is it possible? Yes. It is possible. Our students in Shri Gosalites have proved it. They have got these type of marks, wonderful marks, and I hope you will be the one next generation which will actually go beyond that. Beyond that, so sir, not possible. 180 out of 180 is possible only. Guys. Yes, 100% Vivek, you can message me. We will chat over there. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Maths, I hate it, but it loves me. Yes, beta, it will love you. It loves me also, and I love it also. Okay. Up, guys, what are the topics that we are going to study in mathematics? So let me give you a basic orientation over here. What are the topics that you are going to study in these gift classes? And finally, when you will come back in the institute, in the campus, then also you are going to study more about mathematics initially for some days, and then you will proceed to physics. And why in physics maths will be there? That also in our session in Gosalites, you will understand at which point, which tool you are studying with its reality, NEET question, JEE question, you will understand where you have to apply it. Okay, beta, where you have to apply it. Ready, everyone? So let me give you some basics. The first chapter that I am going to start is going to be your basics about slope, guys. Then we will start about graphs over here, bache, in which we will deal with your straight line graphs. We will deal with your hyperbola graphs. We will deal with your parabola beta. We will deal with your circle. We will deal with your ellipse over here. These are the major first topic. The very first topic that we are going to start is your slope graphs. And graph of which part, guys? We will have your straight line, hyperbola, parabola, circle, ellipse. Okay? I hope everyone must be knowing the basic of the straight line, how the straight line look like, how the circle look like, how the ellipse look like. Many of you might have heard of parabola also, or maybe hyperbola. You may or may not. Okay? Don't worry. Over here in this classes, we'll study about it. Then tarvata, in your upcoming classes, you will study about your new chapters that is going to be your differentiation, or you can say calculus, guys. You will do what, beta? Calculus. In the calculus, you will have two topics, beta. That will be your bache differentiation. And then afterwards, you will have one more topic to do. That is going to be your integration. So beta, let me assure you one thing. Let me assure you one thing. When you are going to study physics, if you have your NCERT physics, you open the first lecture, first page, second page or first page onwards, theory is complete. Then what you will see? You will see questions. All these questions are basically based on calculus. Maximum question physics, little bit here and there, differentiation or integration will be required. In whole physics, there is very less number of chapters where these two topics are not coming. And you know one thing, who is the famous scientist name in physics? Can you tell me in the chat box? Famous scientist name which you have heard in 9th class majorly, or 11th class you will study about. There is one Baba, one apple wala Baba. Have you heard of him? Newton Baba. So Newton Baba was sitting, lying, chilling, but he was not chilling. He made our life chilled by not eating that apple, but thinking why it came down. So Newton Baba, guys, actually he had to prove laws of gravitation. He had to prove laws of motion, because he had to prove everything. So he was the one who told his student to develop some tools. So what he developed two tools which are named as differentiation and integration. So beta, maths ka calculus part, the is maths ka calculus part was developed for whom, beta? Physics. For physics. And on the demand of Newton Baba. You know who developed it? Leibniz. The name of that person is Leibniz. He was the student of Newton Baba, and he developed so that they can prove so many things. After that, in the third week when you will enter, you will study about the trigonometry, guys. Trigonometry. I hope you might have heard of these names, trigonometry, guys. Have you all heard the names of trigonometry? Sine, cos, tan. Different identities are also there. Sine theta square plus cos square theta is rank 1. Yes or no? Am I correct? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is how much? Priyansh, tell me, Priyansh, sending emoji like that. 1. But let me tell you one more thing. If I ask you what is 1, if I ask you what is 1, and if you are able to tell, sir, it's sine square theta plus cos square theta, then you are actually a NEET topper. Then you are going to become a NEET topper very soon, guys. And these type of things will happen, not right now, but in some time it will happen when you will say these type of answers. If any person is asking which rank do you want, and you will be the one who will be saying sine square theta plus cos square theta, that person will get a shock, beta. Heart attack will come in the kidney. ठीक है? Are you getting what I'm trying to say, guys? So, bache, here, when you are going to study trigonometry, the new level of thinking will be developed here in Shri Gosalites for you all. Then, Darwata, you will have another important topic that you will be studying, guys. That is going to be your vectors. Vectors. A very, very, very important topic as per your physics syllabus. Okay? So, these four topics at least. These four topics at least are major important to understand about the physics. We have some small topics also, like you can say arithmetic progression, geometric progression, binomial theorem, guys. You might have heard of these names. Have you heard of these names? AP, GP, binomial theorem, guys. You must have, right, guys, right? So little bit summation formula, nth formula, or you might not have heard binomial theorem. Don't worry, we here teachers at Gosalites will teach you that and will make you work where it is applicable in physics. Okay? We have to just go through the small parts to understand its application in physics, beta. That is the most important part. We are not here to do PhD in maths. We are here to understand it so that we can do PhD in physics for NEET syllabus. Guys. Okay? So APGP. APGP will be majorly useful, beta, not HP. Harmonic progression, someone is asking. Not harmonic progression, sir. It is very rarely used. Whenever it will be used, it will be taught to you. Don't worry for that. Okay, beta? So these are the small topics over here. But what is the need? Like if I ask you, beta, tools. If I ask you, there are multiple tools. Okay? There are two tools over here. One is X and one is blade. Okay? And if we have to cut a tree, what one you will use? X or blade? Tell me, guys, quickly. To cut a tree, what you are going to use? Obviously, many people will say X. You will not say, sir, shaving blade we will use for tree. And if you have to trim your hairs or beard, you have to trim, guys. Beard you have to trim. Then what is the barber going to use? Blade, na? Don't say like this, ki, sir, I saw a reel. In that reel, the person was using X. So he's a tougher, guys. There is a proper tool made for everything, right, bacha? There is a proper tool made for everything. Similarly, there are tools made to solve physics problem. There are tools made for solving physics problem that we have to understand over here. So, bache, to understand physics, what is the most important thing? The basic maths. And here in your classes, what we are going to start with? Maths. Some of you might feel, sir, here we came to study physics, but it is maths. What is the need? You understood or not, guys? Sir, some person are saying, sir, I want to become Pushpa, I will use X to cut my beard. So that is not an important thing, beta. So what I'm saying to all guys, here maths will be important thing, and for that we are starting your topic number 1 for the day. Shall we start the basic maths, guys? If you're all ready to start the very first topic, that is going to be your slope, which I'm going to teach. So let's clap at our home, guys, and let's be ready to start. And TK, and guys, whenever you get an answer, you have to chat with me. You can let me know in the YouTube chat or in the Zoom chat, TK, and be excited and be away from the people. You can scream also in the house, yes, I got the answer. Parents may get a shock, let them get shocked, but we will get knowledge. Okay? And we will be super excited. Chalo, aajo, start karte hain, guys. So first thing that we are going to start is going to be your slope here. Okay? So first of all, we are going to start with your slope. Okay? Have you all heard about the name slope, guys? Have you all? What is slope? Simple thing. Very simple thing, guys. Like when you were very small also, you must have seen that there is one like this type of structure in the playgrounds, guys. Have you all seen like this, beta? You go up with the ladder and you come down. So you say it is a slope. When you were very small, just 2 years, 1 year, then you used to play on that also, right? So that slope thing is in physics only. तो मतलब you are experiencing physics with the day from when you were born or you were started to play, है ना. तो अब here in this slope, here in physics, it will matter. Different graphs are going to come. Different graphs are going to come. For example, you have a graph like this. For example, you have a graph like this. For example, you will have a graph like this also. For example, you will have a graph like this also. Different type of graphs you will see. Like one famous graph that you have seen in your school 10th class, VI graph. Have you ever seen this graph in your class 9th or 10th? I guess 10th class, light chapter, right guys? Which equation is V equal to IR? Have you seen that or not, guys? Anna? Yes, many of you have seen it. Similarly, you will be seeing these type of graphs also now onwards in your physics. Yes, wonderful. People are able to tell it's a Ohm's law. Wonderful, guys. So it's a Ohm's law graph, V equal to IR, and this type of graph. Over there, you might have heard the slope of this line is R, resistance. Have you ever heard? Yes or no? Sir, I should be capital. Le beta, I should be capital, but it doesn't matter. Here also I was like that. So have you heard slope is resistance? Matlab you have an idea. You have an idea. So beta, importance of maths is to understand what are these equations, how we can plot them, what is the value, to compare the values. Okay? So these type of things we are now going to study over here in physics over here. Okay, beta? Chaliye. So basically what we are going to start in graph topic, first of all, we are going to understand about the slope. तो बेटा मैथमेटिकली स्लोप का सिंबल इज गिवन एज m. स्लोप सिंबल इज गिवन एज व्हाट बेटा? m, एंड दिस इज गिवन एज tan theta. Mathematically slope symbol is given as what beta? M, and guys its formula is given as what beta? Tan theta. तो बच्चे अब now we have basically theta value. We have to understand what is theta. So bacha, what is the formula of slope? Slope is equal to m, and m is equal to bache tan theta. Up guys, we have some axis. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. So here guys, we have axis over here, y-axis, and which axis beta? X-axis. ठीक है बच्चे? Here, let's make a line. So over here मेरे बच्चे, what is present? One graph is present which is at some angle. तो बच्चे, this particular angle with the x-axis, this particular angle with the x-axis is going to be known as theta. This is going to be known as theta. So here angle theta is measured from positive x-axis. तो बच्चे, we are going to measure the angle theta from where बच्चे? From your positive x-axis. अर्धमाइंदा? तो बेटा, these are your general conventions that people, we teachers, students, scientists, engineers take, that angle theta is measured from which axis beta? Positive x-axis. And theta is positive. Theta is taken to be positive, guys. Theta value is taken to be positive in anti-clockwise direction. In which direction beta? Anti-clockwise direction. Or as MITTAL sir say, my name is MOHIT MITTAL, so I will say as MITTAL sir say, anti-clockwise direction, guys. It is which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Reason, anti-G is always positive beta. Yes or no? If you ever comes or do a conversation with some anti-G, do you want to say no to them ever? Tell me guys, do you ever want to say no to them ever? Never na beta. Because Auntie ji, you are always right. Let me please be free. Please let me go. You are correct. I am going. Okay. This is how you do na guys. So Auntie ji is always positive. Theta is positive. In which direction? Bolo bhai, in which direction? Scream at home. In anti-clockwise direction. So bachche, we will always take angle in anti-clockwise direction as what value beta? Positive value, as positive value. So students were saying, sir, anti-clockwise direction, dekh beta dekh, you will take like this. So always angle is measured from which axis? Plus x axis, and you are moving in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. So this angle will be taken as which value? Positive value. It is going to be taken as which value? Positive value. Up then after that, theta is negative. We take angle is negative. In which direction? Batao, anyone who can tell me. Bataiye guys, quickly. Theta will be negative now in which direction? If you know this, apply your brain. Yes, Burra application, quickly. It will be in clockwise direction. So by what is the convention say? Convention say bache, whenever we measure angle from plus x axis and theta is positive in anti-clockwise direction, and guys theta will be negative in which direction bache? Clockwise direction. These are the two conventions which everyone should know. Okay, which everyone should know here. Ardhమైందా everyone? Pakka? Okay. So now guys, we understood over here that bache from here we will move anti-clock to get the angle theta in the anti-clockwise direction over here. Always like that we have to measure. Then tarvata, what is the slope? Slope formula will be how much beta? Tan theta. Slope formula will be what bache? Tan theta guys. Okay. Up let's understand here. Let's understand here. Little bit of maths. Can you tell me guys, what is tan 30 value? Quickly, tan 30. I hope everyone must be knowing. It is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. Then we have guys tan 45, that is equal to 1. Then we have beta tan of 60, which is equal to root 3. Correct hai bacha? And then we have one more value is there, tan 90. Tan 90 is how much beta? That is taken to be not defined. That is taken to be not defined, or generally we say as what value beta? Infinity. And there is one more value mere pyare bachche, that is tan 0. Tan 0 is how much beta? 0. Tan 0 is how much beta? 0. So tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90. I hope everyone remember these values from class 10. Basics. Hana? Pure basics. If you are not able to remember, don't worry, we have revised it quickly. Hana? We have revised it. So tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3. Now guys, let me tell you the importance of this particular number. So whenever we are having slope and angle is given theta 30, so slope will be also equal to what beta? Tan 30. Hana? Slope will be equal to tan 30. Guys, MITTAL sir trick. MITTAL sir trick. MMT means what? MITTAL sir. Mohit MITTAL sir tricks. I'm going to tell you calculation hack now. Right now, one calculation hack is going to come in front of you very quickly. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is taken to be 0.58. 1 by root 3 is taken to be how much value? 0.58. Batti it. Remember it by heart. Okay? Learn it by heart, or batti it. Learn it. Batti it guys. 0.58. 1 by root 3 is equal to how much? 0.58. What is the importance of this particular number guys? Many times in the exam of NEET specifically, a final answer will come 1 by root 3. Final answer will come 1 by root 3 beta. So what is the numerical value you are going to write it as? 0.58. You are not going to do so much of calculation in the NEET exam where you have to give the answer very quickly. 0.58 directly you write it. So remember 1 by root 3 is 0.58, and I hope this one is easy. That is 1.732. That is 1.732. So these are the two values that you have. A bacha party, we have over here two more important results. I told you we have two more important results. If theta equal to 37 degree or theta equal to 53 degrees, have you ever heard of these two angles? Just tell me guys. Have you ever heard of these two angles? Sine 37, cos 37, tan 37? Yes kids? Okay, no. Don't worry. Today I am going to help you because in NEET exam you will listen about these two angles very much. In NEET exam these two angles will come very much. But basics, so I hope if I ask you, will you be able to tell me little bit? Okay? Please be with me. By the end of the lecture, you will understand everything in detail. If I'm saying beta, if I'm saying here, this is equal to angle theta, this is A, this is B, this is C. Can you let me know what is the value of tan theta? Can you let me know what is the value of tan theta? Yes, guys. This is a right angle triangle. I hope you can see what is the angle tan theta. Everyone, yes, wonderful, pyare bachche. That value is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, that is A by B. If I ask you what is sine theta, what is sine theta? Yes, bachche, that will be your A by C. That will be your A by C. And if I ask you, bachche, cos theta, if I ask you cos theta, that is going to be your, yes, wonderful, B by C. Ana? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Ana bachche? So these are the standard results which everyone know. Ana? So basics hi hai. Physics mein basics are only there which we are going to use it. Ab now guys, have you ever heard of this particular data? If this side is 3, this side is 4, then this side will be 5. It is a magic number, 3, 4, 5. Have you heard of it? 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, Pythagoras theorem, 9th class. And you must be wondering, sir, you are wasting time of me. I know these things. Abhi aayega maja. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Okay? It is 3, it is 4, it is 5. Ab now again, what I told you, MMT coming in front of you. Ready, everyone? Everyone? MMT coming right now in front of you. See guys, 5, 3, 5, 3. Speak in your home. 5, 3. What is the number? 53. 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. So, bachche, when we have in trigonometry, the angle between 5 and 3 is how much only? 53. And this will be 90. So, what is this angle going to become? Chapandi, turga. That will become as 37. So, bachche, you must have heard of this triplet in your mathematics 3, 4, 5. Now in physics, you will be using these numbers also, guys. Okay? Again, one question come in the chat. Yeah. Sir, why are you teaching maths? I came here to study physics. Guys, should I give the answer or you can tell? Batao, we are studying physics to understand. We are studying maths. We are studying maths to understand physics. To understand physics. Without understanding maths, can we do physics? No. Ab bache, we have got. Now tell me guys, what is the value of tan 53 from here? Hanji. So tan 53 is going to be what bacha over here? Tell me quickly. Yes, Arifa, it is reaching. It is going to be 4 by 3. What is it going to become, beta? 4 by 3 over here. Anna, it is going to become what bacha for me? 4 by 3. So it is a magic triangle, guys, over here for us. Magic triangle. And we have to remember, angle between 5 and 3 is equal to what only, beta? 53 degrees. And this is your MMT, MITTAL trick. It is your MMT, guys, MITTAL trick. That angle between 5 and 3 is what, beta? 53 over here. And that value is going to become what, beta? 4 by 3. That value is going to become 4 by 3. Okay? So I told you, this particular value will be very, very important. So what is the angle tan 53 came, guys? Tan 53 came just now we saw is how much, bache? 4 by 3. Tan 53 is how much, beta? 4 by 3. A very, very important data to be used. A very, very important data to be used over here. Okay, bache? Pakka? So let's now move forward. What do you say? So guys, how to remember? Whenever we forget these things, it's a pretty normal thing. We will remember like that. MITTALs are told 5, 3, 53. So our slogan for the day, 5, 3, 53. We'll make one angle. 53. This is 5. This is 3. So this is obviously 4. So tan 53 we are getting 4 by 3. Similarly, guys, if I ask you what is the value of tan 37 degree? If I ask you tan 37, so this is 37. What is the opposite side? What is the opposite side? 3. And adjacent will be 4. Opposite bacha 3. Adjacent beta 4. है ना 37. Opposite side 3. Adjacent side 4. तो बच्चे answer will be 3/4. तो बच्चे tan 53 comes out to be 4/3 and tan 37 comes out to be 3/4. So these are the two important results that we are going to see over here. ठीक है? That we are going to use also. तो बच्चे in your list here we have got this result also. Tan 37 is equal to बच्चा 3/4. Ardhamainda everyone? Yes, बच्चा party. Little things we are doing. ठीक है, little things we are doing, but that things we will do so that it goes in our brain directly and never comes out, है ना? So we are going to here maths that I'm going to teach you is going to be like that relative which comes in your home but never goes out. ठीक है, whether you want it or not, but we will keep it like that. चलो यार आ जाओ. अब here we have got these results that are required to be solved, guys, है ना? Up now I'm going to start with the practice of problem. Next important result, guys. If angle is less than 90 degree, if angle is less than 90 degree, then guys slope m equal to tan theta, equal to tan theta. So whenever we deal with theta मतलब angle less than 90, like for example we saw guys theta value 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 37, 53. For all these values we will have slope to be positive. M equal to tan theta, that is slope will be positive. So whenever guys we have this result कि theta is your less than 90, then your slope is going to be positive. Slope is going to be positive. ठीक है? So let's do a problem, guys. Okay, beta? Shall we start some problem? What do you say? पक्का बच्चे? ठीक है. So we are going to see a problem here. There is a line given. This is given as 30 degrees. ठीक है? Like this it is mentioned. X-axis, Y-axis. Find the slope. What is the slope of this axis? What is the slope of this line? Yes. What is the slope of this line? That is the question now given. Every data is there. What is the slope of this line? We have to find that. Yes, very good, guys. Wonderful answers coming on the screen. I'm so happy to see your enthusiasm. Wonderful, bache, wonderful. Yeah. We are getting, guys, slope is equal to tan theta. Theta is measured from here, which we measure in anti-clockwise direction. And this angle, if you see, is going to be tan 30. So we can write this value as 1/√3. Or 1/√3, as Mr. Sir told you, is going to be how much, beta? 0.58 directly. That is going to be how much, beta? 0.58 directly. So बच्चे slope is equal to tan theta tan 30, and what is the slope of this line coming hence? 0.58 directly, 1/√3 here. ठीक है? I hope many of you must have got this answer. Yes, guys. Shall we move forward now? Yes, beta. Agandi or Velandi? Let me know, please, quickly. Agandi or Velandi? Agandi. Okay, move forward. See, guys, we have now. This is a axis given to us, beta, and here we have one result. Result क्या है? मतलब data given like this कि we are given with this angle as 53 degrees. 53 degrees. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. What is the slope of this line? Question is, what is the slope of this line? We have y-axis 53 degree. Yes, kids, you have your notes. Use them to let me know the answer quickly. Ready? Okay, wonderful. Wonderful, guys. Very quick. Wonderful, guys, to see this enthusiasm of yours. slope is actually tan theta. Theta will be how much from here, beta? Tan of 53. Up see guys, tan 53, we saw it is going to be 4 by 3. It is going to be how much, beta? 4 by 3. So the answer of the slope is coming as what, beta? 4 by 3. So as you see here, slope came how much? Tan 53, that is 4 by 3. Up guys, one doubt came in one of my student right now in the class. They told, sir, is the slope always going to be positive? Can it be negative? Like this type of doubt might come or is coming, and some students are asking me this in chat box also. Sir, is it possible to have slope to be negative? Think guys, tell me, socho. When it is possible. So let's see one more type of graph. Let's see one more type of graph. It is x-axis, okay? This is y-axis, but we have a line going like this. We have a line going like this. Is this type of graph possible? Yes or no, guys? 100%. This type of graph is possible. Wonderful. Some students are saying yes. If we see over here, bache, angle is measured from which side? Minus x or plus x? Tell me quickly. Angle is measured from where, beta? From the plus x. So plus x, if I measure this angle, is it more than 90 or less than 90? Think. It is more than 90. So if we see over here, this angle theta is more than 90 degree, or we can say this angle is which angle, beta? Obtuse angle. This angle theta is more than 90, or we can say this angle is obtuse angle. Then in that scenario, slope will be given as tan theta only, but answer is negative. But answer will be negative. So whenever angle will be more than 90, obtuse angle, then beta theta will be more than 90 only, but m will be equal to tan theta only, beta, but answer will be taken as negative. ठीक है बच्चे? So as per maths, if angle is more than 90, we will say slope formula to tan theta, but what is the answer going to be? Negative. What is the answer going to be? Negative here. ठीक है? Abhi it will get clear कि how the answers will be coming, because trigonometry is required. Ab here again, result of trigonometry which you will study, guys. Don't worry. Trigo result. So I told you in the beginning that I am going to teach you right now graph slope. So we are starting the basic of it. We are starting the basic of. So time will come when you will study the trigonometry classes. Over there, this result will be proved. That tan of 180 minus angle will be equal to tan 180 minus any angle will be done as minus tan A. Will be written as what, beta? Minus tan A. Bache, anyone who know this result? Tan 180 minus A equal to minus tan A. Yes. You know, wonderful. If you know, wonderful. If you know, wonderful. If you don't know, don't worry. These results are going to be taught you again. So here, using this result, what I'm asking you, tan 120. We have to find the value of what, beta? Tan 120. So tan 120 ko how can we write? Can we write like this? Tell me, guys. Tan 120 we can write it like tan 180 minus 60. So beta, so this result will become A is 60 minus tan 60. So the answer will become what, bache? Minus root 3 or not? Amra, you be with me. You will understand. Don't worry. What I'm saying, there is a mathematical rule. Tan 180 minus A is minus tan A. You will study it in trigonometry class, trigo class. Don't worry for that. I am just asking you कि बच्चे what we are saying, tan 120 is tan 180 minus tan minus 60, that is minus tan 60, that is minus root 3. Like this we can write. तो बताओ मुझे, if I say this angle as 120, so what is the slope? If this angle is 120, so tan 120 came minus root 3. Yes or no? So if we have a line like this angle is 120 degree बच्चे, तो बेटा slope is coming as tan 120, तो value is coming as minus root 3. So what do we understand, guys? कि slope can be positive and slope can be negative also. Slope can be positive and slope can be negative also. Yes or no, बच्चे? Kanema duggu. We can do in your way. That person is saying, sir, can we not do in 90 minus something like that, 90 plus? 90 plus, yes, you can do, but that result will become difficult to understand. That's why I'm taking the easier one. So now, actually, you are here to study maths or physics for physics. We are here to study what, beta? Maths for physics. So for that, I'm going to let you know one tricks. If this angle is theta, is the slope positive came or negative came? Slope came what, beta? Positive. When we saw here, if this line is like that, and when we see a graph like this, graph like this, so what is the slope came? Tell me quickly. Answer is negative. So guys, whenever this type of graphs are there, answer is what, beta? Positive. Positive. Whenever this type of graphs are there, then answer is what, beta? Negative. We have to remember this. Please see, guys. Whenever this type of graph is there, it is positive. Whenever this type of graph is there, answer will be directly negative. Answer will be directly what, beta? Negative over here. See, bache, all those who are late, anyone? So what I'm saying, guys, what is the slope? Positive. What is the slope? Negative. How to remember this also? In your life, you must have a thought, a dream, I will become a pilot one day. Yes, you must have told your parents that I want to become a pilot once in your life. So many of you must have told like that, beta. है ना? तो pilot का अगर, if you want to become pilot, you want to be in air only or you want to go land? You want to go above in life or you want to go down in life? Yes, beta, we always want to go above in life. So above in life, matlab going up is what, beta? Positive. Slope is what, beta? Positive. And going down, slope like that, what the slope going to be? Negative. Slope is going to be negative. So beta, whenever we are going to go up, answer slope positive, and whenever we are going to go down like that, like this graph, answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. Is the method clear to everyone? Is this trick MMT getting clear? MMT, some people are asking what is MMT? My name, Mohit Mittal sir trick. Is it clear, beta? Batao, slope. Tell me quickly, slope. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Positive. Slope. Chinna height, problem. Quickly. Slope, negative. This slope, positive. This slope, negative. Up, some student of mine came and they asked me one doubt. Sir, beta. Sir, what is the slope of this line? So beta, to think of it, to think like that, what I am telling you, this is your line. If I ask you, what is the angle made by this line? What the angle made by this line with the x-axis? Can anyone tell me? What the angle made by this line with the x-axis? Socho. 0 na? Yes or no? The angle is how much here? 0 or not? So if angle is 0, angle is 0, what is the slope going to be, guys? Again one question came here. If one line is like this, okay, or like this, theta angle is 0, slope will be tan 0. So what is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. So basically, if like this graph there, angle made is 0, slope is 0. So bache, what we are going to understand here, if we have like this curve, slope is going to be how much, bache? 0. The slope is going to be how much, bache? 0. So beta, in physics, three results are there. In physics, majorly many are there, but in physics right now for your level, we have how much, beta? We have three results. When the graph is going to be like this, slope will be positive. When the graph is like this line, or it is like this, matlab line is parallel to x-axis. Amrita, line is parallel to x-axis, then bache, slope will be 0. Slope will be 0. Shri Devi is asking, sir, what is the slope of curved line? Don't worry, next lecture is there to understand that. Next lecture is there to understand that only. So we will start by step by, or just today you will give you will cut a body ki I today onwards I announce myself a doctor. It is not happen. We have to study base by base, step by step, है ना? So beta, what is the slope? Positive. Slope 0. Here slope negative. These three results you have to remember. Up guys, how to find the values? Ready for the questions? So I am giving you one trick, guys. So these are your MMT results. इसको बोलते हैं take off. I will say here plane is going to take off. Take off slope positive. Here landing. Here landing. Landing a slope negative. Landing a slope negative. Up guys, I am going to tell you MITTAL sir trick. I am going to tell you MITTAL sir trick. MMT. Again, MITTAL sir trick. Slope ko how to write? Slope is tan of chinna angle. Tan of chinna angle. Chinna means small, guys. I hope you know, guys. Huh? I hope everyone knows chinna. Small, guys. Tan of chinna angle. Tan of which angle? Chinna angle. Abhi everything will become clear just by three questions. Just by three questions, guys. Okay. Slope will be equal to tan theta. Theta will be which angle, beta? Chinna angle. See, guys, how? If I say this angle is, chalo, let me take one more slide. Last slide. If I say this angle is 30, batao. Tell me first, slope is going to be positive or negative? Slope is going to be positive. So we'll write positive. This angle is 30. This angle is 60. Which angle you will take? Chinna pedda. Chinna ya pedda. Chinna. Chinna angle 30. Answer plus 1 by root 3. Plus 1 by root 3. Take off. Wonderful, guys. Take off. Answer plus and chinna angle root 1 by root 3. Got it? Similarly, one more graph coming on your way. In your way, one more graph coming. This angle is given as your 120 degree. या चलो ऐसे करते change करते हैं. One हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's take it 120. But this angle is how much? 120. What is chinna angle? What is this chinna angle? 60 or not? What is this chinna angle? 60 na bata? So you tell me now, is this take off or landing? Is this graph going up or going down? This one. But it is going down. It is landing, going down. The value will be minus. And we will take the trick. Minus tan 60. Minus tan 60. So answer coming what, beta? Minus root 3. So slope coming here what, beta? Minus root 3. Batao. With this trick, is there Any need of that trigonometry formula? Think. With this trick, is there any need of that trigonometry formula? No. If you go with the trick, there will be no formula required. Just go with the MITTAL sir trick over here. Okay? That you will find only in Shri Gosalites. This type of study, teaching. Let's see here. One more problem, everyone ready? So what if there are two lines with two different angles? Don't worry, we will do that also. Any type of doubt in your mind, just keep it to yourself. That will be cleared by the end only. Graph is given like this, beta. This angle is given as 135 degree. Tell me the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? Think. Just in 1 minute, class will be over. Don't worry. Just tell me the slope. You have to think. Is the landing or it is takeoff? First of all, think like that. Yes, wonderful. Many people are getting the answer. Here, if we see, this is what? Landing. Hai na beta? Landing. So landing answer will be what? Negative. Landing answer will be negative. And you will take pedda angle ya chinna angle. You will take pedda or chinna. Chinna na guys? Chinna. What is chinna? 45. So answer will be minus 10, 45. So what is this answer going to become? Minus 1. Answer going to become minus 1. So guys, this is the beauty. Here angle is chinna. So slope we will write like plus and minus. We will see going up plus, going up plus, going down negative, take off plus, like this negative. And which angle will take? Chinna angle. If we will study like that, major importance we will study. We will understand. Okay? How it came 45? Beta, dekh, what is this angle? 135. So this angle will be how much, beta? 180 minus 135. That will be anta 45. That will be anta 45. Okay? That's how it came. Okay, beta? Yes, Anvita. If it is takeoff or it is landing, every time we will take what only? We will take chinna angle now onwards. Now question given like this. This angle is given to you as your 37 degrees. 37 degrees. Tell me what is the slope of this. Chalo, tell me the slope of this. And you have to tell me with sign. You have to tell me with sign. Then next question, last question will come. Wonderful, guys. Time completed. I know. Just give me 1 minute. Here we are doing such an awesome job. Is it going to take off or not? Take off means plus. Take off means plus. Now guys, think. Is this angle directly from plus x? Ana beta? Is it acute angle only or not? Yes or no? Is it acute angle only na? Acute angle. So what is this acute angle going to be? Directly tan 37. And that is going to be how much, beta? 3 by 4. Which I told you in the beginning. Ana bache? Up here. Graph given like this. Batao slope. Tell me the slope. So my cute name is Chinni. Are focus on question re. The answer is going to be, is it going down? So answer negative, negative. Tan chinna angle. De to pedda, because it is obtuse. So we'll find its acute. This acute angle will come how much? 30 degrees or not, beta? Ana 180 minus 150, 30. So minus tan 30. That is minus 1 by root 3. Chalo beta, I hope everyone who are listening from the beginning, MITTAL sir trick, tell me the answer quickly. Turga. Root 3, 0.58. Up guys, today you might feel that we are doing only basics. We are doing only basics. Anna? Sir, what easy thing? But this is the actual question that you will find. These are the actual question that you will find in your NEET exams. These are the actual question. Instead of this y and x, you will have v and I. You will have v and I. Or you will have xt curve, speed time curve, acceleration time curve, velocity time curve, distance time curve, pressure volume curve. So many things are going to be made in physics only on these. So bachche, like this we will have. I hope we have many more classes. We have many more classes waiting over here to understand this particular topic only. Today it was just a small class where we understood ki what are we going to study, the syllabus, how we are going to study. Ab now I hope your signal must be matching with my signal, guys. Both of our signal going to be matched, right beta? And now next class onwards, actually we all both will be able to understand each other, my speed, my writing speed, understanding speed, everything will be clear. And yes, and then next time onwards we can level up. So today we were going a little bit slow, understanding things, making class interactive. 100% it will happen always. And one very, some person is asking, sir, is it phone pay? No beta, no, it is not any phone pay. Gift class is free. It is not phone pay or any other QR scanner. It is a scanner. You can scan it so that you will get the notes. You will get the notes. So you can scan it and you will be able to get all the notes in your mobile phone directly, guys. So you can do that. So I will meet you all in the next class, guys. I hope it will be tomorrow. So we will meet it. So actually, we will study same topic ahead. For curved lines, we'll understand how to find the slopes and many more new concepts we'll study. Okay? Thank you for being the session, guys. It was loving teaching you all. Thank you so much, bache. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, bache? Thank you so much. Thank you. If you want to contact me, you can contact me here. My name is MOHIT MITTAL. I teach physics. That's my ID. Okay, you can contact that. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you. People saying, sir, we have received the amount. Arey bhai, it is bigger than that. Knowledge is there. Knowledge. So thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you.